I hope it's Simon with Rooting for the Planet, and these are my plums. I probably could have phrased that differently. This is my plum tree, or one of about 6 in the garden. So it's really thickened up, this one. And the one next door, you look at the size of the trunks, I would say they're about 4 years old, 5 years old. And they started, and I bought them for about £5 each. So that's what you can grow from something so cheap, and they're now about 12 foot tall. And they're covered in plums this year. Really nice. Next door we've got a pear, which isn't doing as well. Keeps getting the field vine growing on it. I keep pulling it off. It's not done as well at all. But it'll get there. It's having to compete. But it's acting as a nice screen. And then we've got this lovely apple tree here. Apples coming on it there. Here. Just here. Another young apple tree next door with a little red apple on it. It's probably about 8 foot tall. Needs to thicken up though, that one. Whereas this one is starting to put some thickness on its trunk. And this is the one I've moved. So I moved it in spring. It's surviving just. It's not been happy with the move at all. I think this tree I've actually had for a good few years. And it's also had some damage, so I've taped it up. We'll see how that one gets on.